What's up everybody? Welcome to Smart Tips and Tricks, and this week we're looking at two elements to consider every time before hitting that shutter button: the purpose and the composition. Let's get to it. So a common mindset that you'll often see and hear amongst new shooters is the spray and pray method. Basically, you take as many photos as possible and hope to God that one of them turned out good. While I understand the mindset behind it, stop doing it. Think of pulling the trigger on a camera the way you would on a gun, with a purpose and with a goal. Back in the days of film, 30 frames per second wasn't an option. Taking a photo was a process. So before you wasted your film and your time, you made sure everything was the way you wanted and then took the picture. New cameras and technology have made it possible to now capture 20, 30, even more frames in a single second, which is extremely useful in wildlife photography for birds or butterflies, or for sports where you want to capture that exact moment in time. But for what we're doing, most of the time a single frame is all we need. The important part here is your purpose and your composition. So first, what are you looking to capture in your image? A vertical subject, like Devil's Tower for example, may require you to turn your camera vertically if that was the main focus of the image. Now, if you wanted to show the landscape surrounding Devil's Tower, then a horizontal composition with the subject center frame may be the better option. It all comes back to the question, what's the purpose of this photo? Most of the time, your subject will dictate your composition, like in the examples I just showed. On the flip side, there are times that there's no clear answer on which composition is right and which composition is wrong. So it's really left up to you and your creative eye. Just the same as abstract art, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So decide what the purpose of the image is, get your settings right, compose it accordingly, and squeeze the trigger. Remember, you are in control here. That's it, guys. See you next week.